Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps stopping on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Hacoo app and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.